Hi, in this video I would like to show you how to create a resume or CV in Google Docs. So if you want to do it, you need to go to docs.google.com and here you can find resume template. You need to open it and it has been successfully created here. And here you need to type your name, for example, Martin Twain. After that you need to type here your description, few words about you. Then of course we need to type here experience and dates when you was working there. For example, I type here simple company, I type here location, for example Oklahoma, I type here job title, for example sales manager, I type here when I was working there, for example January 2025 to present, and I need to type here what I'm responsible for in this job, for example creating graphics, publishing video content, and of course you can add here more information if you want. Of course, if you need more rows, you need to select it. You need to click right mouse button here, you need to select here copy, you need to click here and press enter. Then you need to click right mouse button here and select paste. Then I recommend you to scroll down and fill school name, your project's details. You can type here your contact information, skills and awards. Do not forget to type here your file name, for example Martin Twain CV. And remember that you can always try to insert here page borders if you want. For example, I will delete maybe projects because I'm not using any projects now, and I will select all text here. After that we need to click on border width, and for example I select here 1.5 and I change color maybe to black. How you see, it looks really great now. So in this way you can create a CV in Google Docs. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.